Hey guys, this is Mr. Gullius and we're taking a look at how to do citations. So if I hit this little C up here for clever, it'll bring me to here, and then you're going to want to log in using your U46 account. Clever will run through. It may ask you for your password if you haven't been in, but you're going to see Mr. G's computer class. You'll click on that and you'll notice here's Cloud Site right here. So if you click that, it brings you to the site we need. To do the article, it depends. Every rotation I kind of change the articles, but this is one that we used for the current rotation, this one. So I go over to Cloud Site, I click Website, and now I'm just going to paste the link and click Site. Now it's going to come up, it's going to show me everything it has, like so, and it's missing the date access, which is today. So for me, I'm doing this on the 17th, and this is April, and this is 2019. So we want all of those entered in, and let's see if we can go ahead and hit enter. So I also realize we're missing the author, so we need to click Add Contributor, and you can always find those at the top. Here it is, Ben Johnson. So I simply just go back, and now I'm just going to put in the Ben, and then Johnson, and then once I hit enter, like that, it shows up down here. So now I can copy this, and I just like to do the old school right click and copy. And then I can come to my slide. I have to go underneath the word citations, and now I can paste, and there is my citation. That's how I properly cite an article using Cloud Cite and putting it into ITS. And you're probably about to do that for a team challenge in a moment. Good luck.